Hello and welcome. My name is Liz, for those that don't know me. I have decided that I'm going to do a 7-day training series for you guys on Canva. So let's get started and jump in with our video. I'm going to share my screen with you, so let's go. Hello and welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to use layers. So I have pulled up an invitation that I sell in one of my stores just to show you how layers actually work. So as you can see, when I click on here, I have all the layers locked at the moment. So unfortunately, when you lock all the layers and use this padlock, you have to unlock them all individually. So I'm just going to quickly unlock all of these. So basically, you lock things that you don't want to move around, or you don't want someone else to move around. So okay, the rest look like they're all unlocked, but they are grouped, which is good. So you can select. See how they were all grouped together. So you can select, like, say, all of these elements. You can also hold down your control key and click on any extra ones that you want to. Oops, where's it? Shift. The shift key, sorry. So shift key and click on the ones that you want to highlight, all the ones that you want to group together. So if you group all of these elements together, then what that means is that you can move them all as one piece. If I now click group, I can move all of those out of the way as one piece because they're all grouped together. I can also ungroup them all by just click on the actual group of them and click ungroup, and they've all come apart. So I like to use the group feature specifically for the text, so it all stays together where I want it. But also you can keep elements all together in a group, so you can move them around. So if, for instance, I wanted to keep all of these elements together, I could select the unicorn and I could hit the shift key and select all these ones that I want to keep together with it as one item. And I'm going to group them together. So this is a layer that we can now move, and we can work on the back layer. So a layer is basically, just putting one item on top of another. So this one is unlocked, so you can move this one around, get it to where you want it to be. Then you grab this grouped one that you just did and you move it to wherever you want it to be. Because when it's not grouped together, so if I ungroup it, if I was to select all of this and think that I'm going to move something to work on the back, you cannot do it. So you need to have a way of grouping things together and moving them as a group so that you can work on the back layer. You can also click on that back layer and go position and put to the front while you work on it as another option if you can't click on all the little elements. So position to back, and we'll go back again. So that's another way to do it. So if you're working with lots of different layers, it's really important to try and keep things locked that you don't want to select. So if I want that to be the final position for this, then I will click on the padlock where I want it to stay. And now when I highlight everything else, I can move everything else, but that is going to stay there. So really helpful when you're designing things all the time to use your layers, your grouping, ungrouping, and the padlock, as well as the position to the front if you need to. So I hope this was a good lesson in how to use the layers and how to lock and unlock and move things around to edit them. I hope that this video has helped you, and if you are enjoying it and you'd like to see some more, please like and subscribe and follow along with this series. I will drop a playlist at the end here so that you can find the rest of the videos. Have a great day.